Alright, let's continue where we left off. So I made an account online, did not have one, and I can go for a red, blah blah blah, race, go. Important, change view, 1, 2, 3, restart, respawn and drive. Okay, restart and restart. Select opponent. Okay. Look at that, those were the days, right? When we were playing that with our, well, sons, in my case. 10, 11, I don't know, the age anymore. And we had to beat the guy in front of us. And as you know by now, I am quite good at gaming, as there is nobody better than me. Oh, that's good, Eric. Wow. Oh yeah, true. Whoopla! There we go. And then hopefully, I don't know, I should turn or something. Okay. That was not the intention. Respawn was this, I think. Yeah. Enter is respawn. It is fun, right? Going back in time, playing games you played. Like, I guess I need to... Ooh. Nope. Try again, Eric. You can do it. You are the master at gaming. You are the... I guess like so. Oh, almost. Oh my god. Yeah. Never give up. Always continue. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it almost. Okay. Anyway, I am surprised that there is so nice graphics on this machine. How about this? Nope, that's not gonna do it. Feels like I'm actually playing it on Windows, yeah, like we used to years ago. That's better. Okay, it's coming back, it's coming back, it's coming back. Now some more speed. Up here, I guess. Ooh. If we could do this in reality, right? Not this one. No crashes, but just go to the left here. That would be nice if you could really do this. Oh, I'm in luck. No power enough. And then you got stuck in some kind of. Yes, Eric. Yes. Oof. Had to bend my head a little bit in the right directions. Oh my god, what is this? Whoa. That was really a stress attack, panic attack. Saw all these loops and thought, oh my god. Oh, is it not the intention? I guess it is the intention. With some more power. I need power. There is power. And then here, then there, and then boom. And then you have no speed anymore. Spawn. It is. Enter. It is. So in one go, we need to go in between. Yes. Boom. Off. Okay. Is this a boost? Then I should get in between it. No, it's not a boost. Okay, never mind then. Nadio. So my opponent is already finished. Strange, right? How does he do it? Okay. Alright, cool. Yeah, this is memory lane, right? Children are old already. And we played this when they were younger. Oh, that hurts. I can honestly say we've played quite a bit together. Turn. Where are you going? I'm missing some sounds. I don't have my headset on. I suppose I'm making lots of sounds. And maybe a yell when I crash. It will come back in a few hours time. Alright guys, this is me having some fun, but basically this just works on ArcoLinux. That's the point. It works on ArcoLinux. Cheers.